Welcome to ByteFurther. In today's video, you'll learn how to fix an iPhone 16 that says support.apple.com/iPhone/restore. When you see this message, it means your iPhone 16 has entered recovery mode. It's a crucial troubleshooting feature that helps restore the device to a functional state when it encounters software corruption or system errors. It's frequently used in updating iOS or restoring the system via a computer. But if you find an iPhone 16 stuck on a black screen with support.apple.com/iPhone/restore, a cable and a laptop, something might go wrong. It can be due to a corrupted system, the malfunctioning computer or the application you use, or the device's unresponsive display. Before you assume the worst, know that it doesn't always mean your iPhone 16 is broken when it says support.apple.com/iPhone/restore. Here are some simple fixes you can try on your own to get iPhone 16 out of the restore screen. Don't forget to give this video a like or a super thanks if you think this video is good and helps. Now, let's start. Step 1. Force your iPhone 16 to reboot. A restart can often resolve a crashing system and unresponsiveness, including the issue of iPhone 16 stuck on support.apple.com/iPhone/restore. Refer to these instructions to restart your phone. Quickly press then release the volume up key, and volume down key. Then, keep holding the power key for a few seconds. The support.apple.com/iPhone/restore message should disappear and show a black screen. When an Apple logo shows up on your iPhone 16's display, let go of the power key and let the device boot up. If everything works well, the lock screen will pop up and your iPhone 16 screen no longer says support.apple.com/iPhone/restore. Step 2. Connect the device to a computer to update or restore. If your iPhone 16 is saying support.apple.com/iPhone/restore after the restart, the next step is to connect your phone to a computer as prompted. Before you try this trick, prepare a Windows PC or a Mac computer and install the iTunes or Apple Devices app. If you own a Mac running Mac OS Catalina 10.15 or later, iTunes has been replaced by Finder, so just launch Finder. Besides, be sure to check both your computer and the application are running the latest version. Once ready, follow these instructions. Open iTunes, Apple Devices app or Finder and attach your iPhone 16 to the computer using the correct cable. Normally, the application will quickly detect your device that's in recovery mode and pop up a dialog box to continue. If you can't see it, find your name or device icon in the application's sidebar and click it to trigger the dialog box. From the pop-up window, you'll have the options to update iOS or do a factory restore. If you want to fix iPhone 16 stuck on support.apple.com/iPhone/restore screen without data loss, click the Update option, choose Next, and select Agree. The iOS update process will start within seconds, and at the same time there will be an Apple logo along with a progress bar appearing on your iPhone 16. Hope your device can get out of the stuck recovery mode screen and turn back on after the update. Change the computer, program, cable and USB ports on your computer if needed. If your iPhone 16 still shows support.apple.com/iPhone/restore, then it's recommended to use the same steps to perform a factory restore. As this trick erases everything to give your phone a clean slate, the data you haven't backed up will be lost forever. So, take a look if you have backups before attempting, or just move to the next step. Step 3. Contact the support team. The previous two methods can help most users out when they see support.apple.com/iPhone/restore message on iPhone 16. If they won't work for you, think about if your iPhone 16 has sustained any damage or been exposed to extreme conditions. If so, it might be a more challenging issue that requires assistance from Apple's support team. Make an appointment at the Genius Bar online first, then bring your device there to have it diagnosed. That's all for how to fix a stuck support.apple.com/iPhone/restore screen on iPhone 16 series. If you find this video helpful, please buy a super thanks for this video and give this video a like. Your support means a lot to us to deliver more useful videos to help those in need. Also, if you have any further questions, feel free to write them down in the comments below and I'll reply ASAP. To learn more tech tips about iPhones, subscribe to the ByteFurther channel. Now, you can click another video on the screen to keep watching.